Welcome back everyone to Stoughton Outdoors. Today we are in Stoughton, Wisconsin, and we are kayaking the lower Yahara River. All right, got my vessel ready to go. The Necky Zora Sport, one of the best kayaks I've ever utilized on rivers as well as lakes. See right over there to the left, that is the Viking Park, which is a dog park just south of Stoughton. Grew up going to that park all of the time with my grandma. Have some really great memories there. There's currently some dogs playing in the water. It's just a really cool thing for people to come on out, and I believe it's free, but it's always cool to see the dogs out there enjoying the water and enjoying our vast nature that we have available to us. We're coming into Stoughton Bay right now, which is the bay right before the Yahara River goes into Stoughton, Wisconsin, so that's pretty cool. What's really cool about this is, you know, I grew up in this town. I used to walk this path all of the time to school. There's some beautiful old houses down this way, and then on this side we have newer style houses, and it's just a beautiful scenic walk or even paddle. This is a pretty low bridge when you try to kayak under it. If I was to put my hand up right now, I'd be able to almost touch these. Now what's really cool about Stoughton is every May they have a canoe race for the Norwegian festival that is held here. Now this exact route we're taking is part of the canoe race, and it's something that I have always watched when I was a kid, and I hope maybe soon I'll be able to participate in it. Now there's been some controversy with this section of the Yahara River. Now the city of Stoughton wants to basically turn this into a river rafting like tourist section, and a lot of the general public do not want that, but the city seems to keep going forward with that idea. So as somebody who grew up here, doesn't live here anymore, I personally do not believe that this river needs to be turned into such a thing as a tourist attraction. I believe nature should be left alone, and we should all be able to utilize these resources as necessary and not to have to pay to use them. I mean, as we've seen on this trip, we've seen a lot of wildlife. I just had a bunch of geese also just fly away from me. But it would be very unfortunate if they took all of this away and turned it into a river rafting section for tourism and destroyed the wildlife and this beautiful river that I grew up on. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the dam is right up there, so we're gonna have to turn around at this point. What a lovely trip though.